上一次很多人看了我的狗狗在我的视频里面，然后很多朋友问我关于我的狗狗的问题，所以我觉得你们也很喜欢狗狗，我也很喜欢狗狗，所以今天我们做一点不同的美食的视频。在欧洲，我们没有中华田园犬，所以第一次我看他们在一个专门家，然后我问他们买不买，他们觉得可以买，但是 I have to say this was really funny because it was the first time in my life that I actually saw you can buy a dog per weight, but they were so cute, so I just took them along. 有几次人们笑我，他们就说哈哈哈，看一个老外他有2个土狗，但是我觉得土狗and like a pet dog 就一样的，我觉得他们真的很聪明，所以我就爱他们。我觉得你们也很爱狗狗，所以今天我们做一点不同的美食，我们就做一个狗狗的 cookie。So let's go get in the kitchen. Go! And normally I don't dress them up like this, but I thought today is filming day, so they can also look a little bit more pretty. Right? Yeah. Let's go. 做我们的狗狗的 cookie， 你们要水、盐、2个鸡蛋，然后 rolled oats。我这里有一点欧筋，如果你们的狗狗不喜欢欧筋，就不要用。然后面粉，这个是羊奶粉。This is normally used to feed like the small puppy dogs. So most of the pet stores they have this. This is specialized for dogs. So the best is to use this. Don't use normal milk powder because actually the dogs cannot really take the cow milk. So make sure to use the right product. 你们可以用 peanut butter， 但是今天我就做我的自己的 peanut butter， 所以我用一点花生，然后油，我用这个厨房机做 peanut butter， 我用这个厨房机就 make the dough， 但是你们可以用手。先把这些放进去，盐、欧筋、羊肉粉、面粉、Oops. This machine is really trash, I tell you. I bought it, already 2 times changed it, never buy it. Whirlpool, I tell you, don't buy it. But I have it. The meat mincer is not even working anymore. So, just for your information, I would keep it anyways because this was not cheap, you know. Ah. 下一步，我们做我们的 peanut butter， 加花生和油，然后 mix it or blend it actually。加你的自己做的 peanut butter 和2个鸡蛋，搅拌均，同时搅拌均，加水。Actually, lots of people they say dogs should not eat salt. I think I agree. If you have a really old dog or a really young dog, you should definitely just not put any salt. However, my dogs, they're just in the really right healthy age. I put a little bit salt and they can eat these cookies. They won't eat all the cookies in one day. They will eat it over a couple of days, and there are 2 of them. So per dog, it's not that much salt, and I think it will just taste better. Actually, 我不知道他们喜欢不喜欢我的 cookies， 但是如果他们不喜欢，我就自己吃。现在我们用我们的 cookie stamps to make some really nice cookies. 所有的 cookie 做完了，放在烤箱150度40到60分钟，是这样的。这个 cookie 烤就很干很干，然后后面 you can put it in like a vacuum glass or like a resealable bag. Because it's so dry, you can keep it a little bit longer and your dog can enjoy it for like 1, maybe even 2 weeks. 然后我们试一下我们的狗狗的 cookie。不错，我觉得没有人的 cookie 好，但是 I think the dogs will really like it. Okay, I'll give you guys to try. You tell me what you think. Honest opinion, huh? Not just because you like me. Want one? Okay. I think they like it. 很简单的狗狗 cookie， 15分钟做完了，狗狗很喜欢，我也很喜欢。And the best of all, you know exactly what's inside. 谢谢你看我的视频，是你让我想要努力拍更好的视频和说中文。点赞、分享和 please 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 关注我，你的关注才能让我继续拍摄。Love you guys.